What's up, guys? This is your boy Evos from Evos Edible Creation, and today this video is gonna be something different. Since we're in the month of February, I thought about making a Valentine dinner or a romantic dinner for two for under $25. Okay. If you're interested, like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy this ride with me. Alright guys, the first thing we're gonna start here is my steaks. So we got all my seasonings right here. You may not see it off camera, but I'll show you. First thing we're gonna do, put a little Himalayan pink salt. You know you never go wrong with a little salt. A little few cracks of that. Then we're gonna put, me personally, I put a little onion powder on there. Onion powder. Dip dab of that, a little bit of that. You know, then we get a little garlic powder. Dab of that too. Always, don't forget the black pepper too. And you cannot leave without the Tony Satchers on top. So I got all my seasonings on the top. I'm about to flip it. And do the same cycle again for the other side. Alright, now we're back on seasoning my steaks. And yes, I did season my steak really well. It looks like I ain't put a lot of seasoning on it. So I do have a butter sitting under there so it will not burn or dry out. So now I'm gonna wrap them in foil. Get my pan, just the pan is gonna be on right here. I got my pan, my oven is already preheated on 350. I'm gonna put these in there for 1 hour. So now we're waiting for that to finish. I'm gonna start on my double baked potatoes. See you soon. All right, we're back. So now we're getting ready to start on our double baked creamy spinach potatoes. So the first part that we have to do is get some potatoes. We already washed them. Then we're gonna cut them in half. Now we have our potatoes cut in half. We lay them down on the pan sheet. We poke holes in the back of them so the heat can escape. Poke the holes in the back of it. We're gonna get ready to put them in the oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, now we got our potatoes out. Let's get ready to double bake them. So the first part we're gonna have to do is take out the inside. I already practiced on one of them, as you can tell, right here. So we're gonna do it for all of them. No, don't go too deep. Now that I got out all the insides of each potato, I got a little melted butter. Gonna put a little butter in each of them. So when it recook, get a little golden brown on top of it, and, not too much. And like they say, butter make your taste better. So we're gonna get that going. Whole butter in it. Get out the first one right here. After we put the butter now prepare our stuffing. Put a little garlic in it. I hope y'all like garlic. I hope y'all ain't scared of vampires. Put a little pepper. pepper. Oh, a little bit too much pepper. And then, you know, we got the pink Himalayan salt. Just a few cracks. And then, since it's under $25, instead of getting heavy whipping cream, we're using half and half just to get the cream in there. Hold that in there. Can't forget our spinach. How it's gonna be creamy spinach. We don't got the spinach. So I already cooked some more spinach. So spinach is already cooked. Now, then we're just gonna mix it. Mix the potatoes and everything. Mix it. Before we put our stuffing in here, you know we gotta put a little Parmesan in there. Parmesan cheese and mix it a little bit more. Put as much cheese as you like to your liking. I like a little more cheese, so I'll probably add some more of mine. Since we got a little more butter left over, just gonna pour it in there just to get that rich and creamy flavor going still on top of everything else. You can't waste nothing. You pay $25 for this. Every dollar counts. Now let's add the stuff. Make sure you get it all in there. Get it dusted deep into the cracks and crevices. Oh yeah, you see that right there? Yeah, that stuff. See that right there? Yeah, that stuff right there. Oh, falling over a little bit. So we got it deep in there. And we're gonna repeat all the process for the rest of it. All right. Now that you see that we stuffed it, I decided to add a little bacon on top of it. Bacon never hurt nobody, I think. But we just gonna do that. Get ready to go ahead and put it in the oven. Gonna put that in the oven for like 15 to 20 minutes. So now that we got our baked potatoes in the oven, you can't have a romantic dinner without no dessert. I decided to make cream cheese stuffed monkey bread. I just looked it up, monkey bread. That's what it's really called, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So we just got this since it's under $25, so we just purchased this. Right here, I also got a little bit of sugar and cinnamon in here. So I'm gonna roll this in a second. And I got some cream cheese or balls rolled up so I can put it inside of the cinnamon roll. So let me show you how to create this. First, open this. Everybody with the infamous pop. There you go, right there. All these cinnamon rolls come in the icing packages. We're gonna show you what we're gonna do with these later. Put this to the side. Now roll all with your dough. You're gonna start with these first. Alright, so you're gonna take the whole part, the whole cinnamon roll right now. You ain't gonna use the whole one, so we're gonna cut it in half. Just like that, so it's gonna look like a moon shape. Then you're gonna reconnect the halves together, alright? Put it down, we're gonna pat it flat. Then take on our cream cheese, put them in the middle, and roll it up. Roll it up into a ball. After you get that ball rolled up, you're gonna boom, throw it in there. Roll it in here. And your cinnamon and sugar mixture. My pan is already sprayed. And I'm just gonna place it at the bottom. After a few more, we're gonna repeat this process until we got the whole bottom covered. So see you when it's done. Alright y'all, so now that we rolled, stuffed all our monkey things for our monkey bread, this what it comes out to look like. Ball moving. Check that ball. Don't worry about no balls, okay? No balls. Get you a good close up. This is what it's supposed to look like. Alright, y'all. Now we put our monkey bread in the oven. Now it's time to take our steaks out and start the plate up. You know, paper plates, you know, the recession. You know, and we double plated it so the steak won't fall through. Hey, if she really care about you, it don't matter what you plate the food on, as long as you cooked it. Think about that. Nah, we can't do that. It's Valentine's Day, man. We gotta get the real plates, man. Slide up on you. Bam! We got, you know, gotta get the fancy plates. These are I borrowed these from my daddy. So, you know, I don't have real plates, so I have to borrow these from my father. So just don't tell him I took them, okay? Alright, so let's start plating the food. There you have it, people. The finished product. You got a steak, double baked potato with the side of broccoli. If that ain't a Valentine's dinner she'll love, I don't know what to tell you. See y'all next time. Oh, you thought it was over, huh? Y'all forgot about dessert. It's Valentine's. You gotta have some sweet for your sweetie. Boom. Got that monkey bread right there. Stuffed cream cheese monkey bread. Right here. Now we got that out. The icing packages that I told y'all about. Now we about to drizzle it. I'm about to drizzle it across. Gonna drizzle that. Now in fact, we're just gonna do this. Yeah. That's that monkey bread right there, y'all. So that right there, that should finish off y'all day. Hey, you at least got 2 to 3 weeks of get out jail free cards. At least 2 to 3 weeks. It depends on what you do. But you shouldn't argue about nothing after you cook this dinner for see so. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get a taste of it. Make that a month.